Hello dear students, today I am going to continue chapter 9 of economics, standard 12th commerce, session number 18 of foreign trade, FT. In last session I started and gave the information of balance of payments with the help of that meaning of BoP and also two types of the balance of payment, that is balanced and unbalanced. Also the information was there related to the deficit and the surplus balance of payment of that receipts and payment throughout the year of the one country in the foreign trade. Right? Today I am going to continue the point of the balance of payment, that is accounts of balance of payment. How the accounts are maintained in the balance of payment. Let us see. Balance of payments has two accounts. Right? Like other, right? In our accountancy, you know that different type of accounts are there. Like that, here also balance of payments has two accounts. The first one, that is the current account, and second one, that is the capital account. As per your knowledge related to the standard 12th commerce accountancy book, you know that one, current and capital account, how it works. Like that, here also two accounts are there, current and capital account. First one, current account. This account, the current account, records the credit and debit entries. Both the type of the entries are there in the current account, debit side and credit side. So this particular current account records both the entries of debit and credit for the following goods. Two type of the goods, the debit and credit entries are given in the current account. जो भी आप करंट अकाउंट प्रिपेयर करोगे एज अ कंट्री, एज अ पर्टिकुलर इंडस्ट्री, आपको टू थिंग्स मींस टू पॉइंट्स मस्ट बी इन द माइंड, दैट इज द डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट एंट्रीज ऑफ द डिफरेंट गुड्स. और वो गुड्स कौन से होने चाहिए? लेट अस से इज द कॉमन गुड्स. फर्स्ट वन, ट्रेड इन मर्चेंडाइज गुड्स. बारी बारी में रिपीट नहीं करूंगा, आपको मालूम है व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ मर्चेंडाइज गुड्स. तो ट्रेड इन मर्चेंडाइज गुड्स, दैट इज टेंजिबल और visible. You can see that one, you can touch that one, you can feel that one, right? That is the particular visible, that is tangible goods. Let us see what are the different things are there in this current account of the tangible goods. हम यहाँ देखते हैं कि इसमें क्या चीज आएगी. Let's see. Receipts from exports. Whatever the exports of the one country is there, and then after whatever you will receive through the exports are recorded. तो इस ट्रेड के हिसाब से जो भी चीज विजिबल है, टेंजिबल है, उसका आप एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं और उस एक्सपोर्ट्स के सामने यू विल रिसीव द मनी एज क्रेडिट एंट्री. तो यू हैव टू रिकॉर्ड इन दिस करंट अकाउंट एज क्रेडिट एंट्री व्हाटएवर यू विल रिसीव थ्रू द एक्सपोर्ट्स ऑफ द विजिबल गुड्स. एंड द अनदर वन, पेमेंट्स, व्हाटएवर यू विल पे for imports, that means whatever you will receive, you will purchase from the outside of the country, right? That is in the sense of the visible goods, right? So that are recorded as debit entry. So two entries, credit entries and debit entry, right? So two entries are given for the receipts and payments of the visible goods. One is on the debit side, another is on the credit side, right? Maybe it is different. यहाँ से आपको अलग लगेगा. So debit and credit side, left hand and right hand side. You have to record. Keep in mind these entries are for tangible or visible goods. You can see that one. Also the sum total of this both, that is imports and exports, that is the receipts and payments, right? So the sum total on this section or both the things of current account is called, or it is said, बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेड. इसका पूरा एक टॉपिक इसके बाद है, बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट के बाद वहां देखेंगे. लेकिन अब तक इतना ध्यान रखो, दैट मींस के द टोटल ऑफ बोथ, दैट इज करंट अकाउंट, दैट इज कॉल्ड द पर्टिकुलर करंट अकाउंट्स टोटल रिलेटेड टू द रिसीट्स, पेमेंट of the import and export, that is called balance of trade. Once again, the sum total of this section, that means this both, right? Receipts from the exports and payments for the imports of the tangible and visible goods, it is called the balance of trade, right? तो उस दोनों को आप मिक्स करेंगे, प्लस करेंगे, जो भी टोटल आएगा उसे हम बोलेंगे बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेड. यहाँ प्लस माइनस दूसरी चीज का नहीं करना है, इंपोर्ट में से एक्सपोर्ट है, एक्सपोर्ट में से इंपोर्ट, प्लस माइनस नहीं करना है, दोनों को प्लस करना है टू नो द बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेड, टू नो द बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेड फॉर द बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट. That is the one thing. Another thing, if now what is the meaning of this balance of trade? Plus minus, that is positive or negative. If the payments ये पॉइंट ऑलरेडी डेफिसिट और सरप्लस में कवर हो चुका है. वंस अगेन इन अ डिफरेंट वे, इफ द पेमेंट्स फॉर मर्चेंडाइज इंपोर्ट्स, यहाँ मैंने बोला गुड्स, जो भी इंपोर्ट्स एक्सपोर्ट होता है, तो मर्चेंडाइज इंपोर्ट्स आर ग्रेटर देन द रिसीप्ट्स फ्रॉम मर्चेंडाइज एक्सपोर्ट्स, then there is deficit in the balance of trade. यानी जो भी आपका इंपोर्ट्स है वो एक्सपोर्ट से ज्यादा होगा, तो व्हाटएवर द रिजर्व इनकम दैट इज द डेफिसिट होगा. ऑलरेडी हमने कल टाइप्स ऑफ जो भी बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट था उसमें देख लिया है. तो लेट अस सी वंस अगेन, मर्चेंडाइज इंपोर्ट्स आर ग्रेटर देन merchandise exports of the one country for 1 year, that is called deficit balance of trade. एंड अगर उसको उल्टा करेंगे तो the payments for, मैंने सेम टू सेम रखा हुआ है, सिर्फ एक ही चीज चेंज की है, तो यू कैन इजीली अंडरस्टैंड एंड यू कैन इजीली रिमेंबर. इफ द पेमेंट्स फॉर मर्चेंडाइज इंपोर्ट्स आर लेस देन, यही चीज मैंने चेंज की है, लेटर और लेस देन द रिसिप्ट्स from merchandise exports, then the result or then there is a surplus in the balance of trade, right? That means if the total payments of the imports of these visible goods, right, that is tangible goods, are less than the particular exports of this tangible or visible goods, then it is called surplus. बुक में आपको वाइस वर्सा दिया है, या हमने कोई डेफिनेशन लिख दी है, तो आपको याद है इसलिए मैंने एक ही वर्ड चेंज किया, ग्रेटर की जगह लेस, बाकी सब कुछ ऐसे का ऐसा है. तो पेमेंट ज्यादा हो रिसिप्ट से तो डेफिसिट, पेमेंट कम हो रिसिप्ट से that is called surplus. Already discussion was there in the last session. So that is the first one, trade in merchandise goods tangible. Next one, trade in intangible, that is services. Second one, we can say invisible. We can't see this type of the goods. Mostly the services are there. You can't see the services. You can take the benefit of that services. आपको उसका फायदा होगा. You can utilize that services. You can't touch that one. You can't feel that one. Sometimes right. So that is intangible. That is invisible. Sometimes you can feel that one, but simple you can't touch that one. So the different type of intangible and tangible assets were there already there in the syllabus. You know that one. So here the incomes from invisibles, you can't see that, are recorded on credit side or and payments on debit side. So whatever the incomes are there throughout the year through this services or intangible or invisible trade, if the incomes are there, that is on credit side. If the payments are there, on the debit side. Common accounting information है. Expenses are on debit side, incomes are on credit side. Right? You know that one. Here it is the same thing. Invisibles are recorded on credit side, that is the incomes. जो आप देख नहीं सकते वो इनकम, और जो पेमेंट्स जो देख नहीं सकते वो डेबिट साइड. लेट अस सी कंबाइंड बैलेंस. ये क्या होगा? कंबाइंड बैलेंस ऑफ दिस फर्स्ट ट्रेड इन मर्चेंडाइज गुड्स टेंजिबल एंड ट्रेड इन सर्विसेज इंटेंजिबल, दैट मींस विजिबल एंड इनविजिबल, दोनों को अब साथ मिलेंगे, दैट इज कॉल्ड करंट अकाउंट ऑफ बैलेंस. राइट. सो जो करंट अकाउंट ये है फर्स्ट वन, उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? द टोटल ऑफ फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड, टोटल ऑफ द मर्चेंडाइज गुड्स टेंजिबल एंड सर्विसेज इंटेंजिबल, दोनों को साथ में मिलाएंगे, प्लस करेंगे, यू विल गेट द करंट अकाउंट. मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट एंड सेकंड वन, दैट इज द कैपिटल अकाउंट. नाम से ही मालूम पड़ता है कैपिटल अकाउंट. दिस अकाउंट और कैपिटल अकाउंट records receipts and payments recording of both is required. So receipts and payments from transactions, different type of transactions on assets. So this particular capital is there, so that's why the transactions of assets are there. Which type of the assets? Such as money assets, right? जो पैसों के हिसाब से चलती है, money assets like bonds, long term for 20-25 years, sometimes 10 years also, shares, and we get the returns. Gold, right, for a long time period we get benefit of the price, and also the capital loans to purchase the different type of the capital oriented things, sometimes the machinery, sometimes the different type of the land, building, or some of the technology to get the long-term benefits in the production or other things. Right? So that is the thing. Keep in mind for the 1 month if it is there, which things are included in the capital account or which type of the things are there. The money assets are there, bond, shares, gold, and sometimes the capital. Mostly in the cases of the when you want to establish, expand or develop your business. So that type of the loans are required. So capital loans, so etc. are there, and also other forms of fixed capital for a longer time period. You get the different benefits of the future, right? So we get the benefit of these things, right, in future of the fixed capital. So for the maybe research and development, maybe for the some other things. So that is the capital account. Now the final thing, the total of current and capital. The total of current account and capital account is called balance of payment, that is BoP. Total of C plus C, current plus capital, for your information. So BoP is equal to C plus C, that is current account plus capital account. Current account is equal to 1 plus 2, that is the tangible plus intangible, right? और उसके हिसाब से डेफिसिट और सरप्लस सब घूम फिरा के एक ही चीज होती है. The total of current account and capital account is called the balance of payment. So that is the end of the balance of payment. Some of the factors are there. Now I will discuss that factors in the next session. Also, some imaginary data are there. We can say that hypothesis of the different balance of payment is there. So we will look after that one, and then after the balance of payment. Next topic है उसका, वो भी हम cover कर लेंगे. Okay, so that is the end of the session. Thank you.